Hi guys, it's Moz here. It's time for another quick build. We have the brand new release from Airfix, which is their London taxi. So Airfix announced this model this year alongside a London bus, and these make brilliant little kits to build. And as I said, there's no paint, there's no glue, you just build it, and there's stickers to go on top. If you've watched some other videos, you know I've done like this one here, which is the Ford Wild Track, I think it's called, the 4x4 from Ford. But they make some of the best presents out there. I promise you. If you've got a friend who's not into scale modelling, just get him a sports car or like that truck or a Volkswagen camper. You know, they're easy to build, and you know, people enjoy building them. They're like Lego, you know, they're all brick and push fit together, but you get more of a rounded sort of model, not like Minecraft. So the box, you've got some warnings there. If you want the code, it is this one here. It's J6051. J6051, and I'll leave a link in the description box where you can get your London taxi. Top of the box, because they're designed to go in toy shops, they've got like a hole there for hanging on a display, and there it tells you there's stickers included, rolling wheels, pre-coloured and push fit. Back of the box, you've got the like an exploded view there, and the size of it is 68mm by 179mm. So there you go, there's the license agreement for that one, the trademarks, all approved of the London EV company. So if anybody knows what LEVC stands for, leave a comment in the box below and let me know. But before I open and build this kit, would you do me a favour? Would you please, if you like the channel, click subscribe or ring that bell, select all, and you'll never miss another video from this channel. And it really helps the channel, and I like to see my subscribers grow. Thank you. Right, it's time to open the box. And it's really simple to open. There you go. You should have some instructions in here as well. And wow, quite a lot of stickers to play with. There's the stickers there. I would love if they give you the option of doing decals, but these are designed for the youngsters. Like I said, you know, you can give these away as presents to your friends, especially the sports cars, because they'll never own a sports car, but they're not into scale modelling, they can build their own, and they get a really good looking car out of it as well. Like this one here, which is the McLaren Speedtail. You know, most of your friends will never be able to afford to buy one of these, but you can give a model kit of one. It's a bit of fun to build. Right, so one big bag of plastic, some stickers, and instructions. Now the instructions are dead simple, and if you've done Lego before, the instructions are the same. So you're basically following the pattern here. So on the left, it's telling you what the parts are, where they're to go, and what it should look like. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 steps, and there's the call out for the stickers. And there's 43 pieces in this kit. Brilliant. Also, you'll notice that on a lot of the parts, they'll have left or right. That just helps you in knowing which way the parts go. Just showing you the tyres here, they're quite simple. There's a little ridge inside, you can just see the ridge inside. So when you put the tyres in, all you do is push up to the ridge, and there you go, there's the tyre fitted. Easy, easy, easy. And as again, showing you, you can see that they do put left, and there's another left there, and right, so you can see left, you can see right, you know, so it just helps you out when you put them together. As I said, it's basically built for the youngsters, but let's have a go at building this taxi. So here we go. This is the London Taxi. Can I just say, what a brilliantly well thought out design. Everything went together really, really well. The glass and the seats, the way it all goes together, the front end, the way it goes together, it's really clever. The fact that the handle here is about, you know, 25mm, and it just goes through the two parts there, you know, and then you've got like a bit of a sticky outy bit. But yeah, honestly, this is a fantastic little kit. I can't knock it, it's fantastic. It went together really well. Like I said, the rolling wheels, it rolls absolutely fine. Well done, Airfix. I have one huge criticism of this kit. Quality control, right? Look at the scratches of the plastic. It pissed me off. It really has. Now, I've just looked on the box, and I think this is an Indian kit. I am, you know, just look at the scratches. Such a shame. It just shows you there was no care with the plastic. Don't get me wrong, you know, the plastic's pretty good quality. It feels like, you know, it's robust. You can, you know, you can drop it. It's not going to come to bits or nothing. But just look at the scratches. It just ruins it, because you need that glossy shine when you've got a big gash down the side. Well, to be fair, it probably looks like a 2-year-old London Taxi that's gone through the roads of London. But, you know, come on, you know, I'm assuming it's an Indian one. Because like, we went to Plastic, and it just feels like they've got a bit more care and concern when they do their tooling, you know, when they're making the kits. But yeah, it's such a disappointment. But other than that, maybe it's just I've just got a bad one, you know. And I'm going to, so benefit of the doubt to Airfix on this one, benefit of the doubt. But if you're going to buy it, you know, it's a cracking little kit to have a bit of fun with. And I promise you give this to a mate who even drives a taxi, they would love to build it and put it on their dashboard. They could, you know. But yeah, stickers are good. I love the fact it's got the little like iPad display in there. Can you see that? You know, with stickers on, the stickers for the speedometer and everything, for the dash. One little tip with the stickers: use tweezers. Try not to get your greasy oil fingers on it. I wear gloves, you know. I don't take them off at one point because the stickers are a bit small, but just try and make sure you try to keep as much grease off the stickers, and they will stick down. But yeah, other than that, what a well-designed, thought-out kit. And as I said, it's robust. It's not going to fall to bits on you unless you throw it against the wall. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed building that, and I really appreciate Airfix for bringing that one out, and I can't wait to try out the new London bus. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Big shout out to my channel members. They financially support the channel. If you want to become a channel member, like the folks on the screen now, just click join and then select which membership tier you would like to join. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, because I always reply. And if you've not seen my latest video, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of my other videos, click here.